So this is the form we have made. Now let's check whether it's running correctly or not. So name is Krishna, email is krishna@gmail.com. Emotion, I'm very angry, so angry. Satisfaction level, yeah, I'm satisfied. Further comments like I am eager to learn, right? Location visited is Scarborough, and with the exception of this, I have not visited any of the location because I'm poor right now. So, and display, wow, perfect. Everything is running perfectly. So, one thing I need to check here about the song, whether it's playing or not. So, let's play. Yeah. Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to another Java tutorial video. In this video, we are going to make a user interface using the concept of JavaFX. And what we will be building is that we will be building this form. Okay, here you can see that in this form we have name, we have email, we have checkbox, we have combo box. Okay, we have further comments, and here we have location. Here we will be using the concept of drop down. Okay, and here we have one display button, so that when we click on this button, whatever value we'll be entering or whatever value we'll be choosing from, all these will be displayed here in the text area. Clear? And after that we have used this image. Here the image, you can see that the image of the flag of Canada we have used here, and here we have used two buttons. One is play and another is pause. Okay, so that when I click on this, the audio that I will be using in this code will be played, and when I click in this, obviously the audio will be paused. Clear? So now I will get back to the code. So before coding, I just want to make sure one thing is that uh, this is our folder, okay, project folder. So here what we need to do, we need to add some of the file. Okay, so in order to add that file, I will just provide the link in the description down below, so that from there you can download that. And when you download that JavaFX folder, let me show you. And when you export that, you'll just see like this, and just go to lib folder, and here this all file you need to include in this. How we can include in this? We can include by the, we just need to go up to our project, right click properties, and after that we just here, if this will not be shown, then just go to the Java build path. After that libraries, after that select module path, and add library, and here the user library. After that click next. Here just check this, here user libraries. Okay, and here I have already built this, so I don't need to. If there if you need to build, then just go to new and give the uh, folder name, like I have given here JavaFX. Okay, okay, and after that in that folder just go to click here add external jars, and after that this will be popped out, and just select all of these and just add, okay, in this. So it will come like this, and after that apply and close. Clear? Here I don't know why, apply and close, finished. I have actually done, so I don't know why its error is showing. And after that apply and close. Clear? And another thing that you need to do is that just go to the project, the file, click on the right click and run as run configuration. This will open, and after the go to argument. Okay, and here we need to add some of the line. What line? I'll tell you. Just uh, pause and screenshot this. Okay, copy and just go to argument, and after that paste. Clear? here. After that, apply and clear. Now one thing that we need to observe here is that here what this means from here to here. Actually, this is the path. This is the path. Which path? This is the path that this is the path where our liv folder is located that we opened right now. Okay. Now, after setting of like this much, so we'll proceed towards the code. So now what we will do is that here we have made a class. This class we will extend from what? Application. Okay. So in order to use that, we just need to go to here and just write import JavaFX. Clear? Actually, right now the error is showing here, and let me include rest of the file. Let me import that. So after including all this file, we can proceed to our coding. Okay. After that, what we can do, we can just override. Clear? Override what? Override the start method. Void start stage primary stage. Clear? So now after this, what we can do is that we can just create border pane, main pane, new. See, this is this border pane. It is the overall border, overall, like our user interface that we will be building. Okay, so that will make grid pane. So what does this grid pane mean? Let us understand that. Clear? So see here. Here we can understand is that the name and this field, input field, it is in one single row. Okay. Email and this field, this is on another row. Okay. And here name and email label, it is in a single column, and this two is in a single column, another column. Okay. So this is in a grid system. So we are using grid pane for that. Clear? So now what we will do is that we will just put the alignment of this. Whatever we'll be writing, we'll just put the alignment for that, because we have made here pen object. So for with that we'll be using this uh, here position top left. Okay. uh, let's put here 11 comma 11. So this is the padding, this is the space between up or down, left and right. Here H gap, it stands for horizontal gap. And similarly the B gap, it stands for vertical gap. Clear? So this much, and after that we will just main pen dot set center this pen, like this pen, whatever we'll be using in this pen, but whatever component will be included in this pen, that will go to this center, because set center we have used here. Clear? After that we'll make a scene. Let me set 1615. Clear? What does this mean? 1615. It means that after running this program, whatever window will open, with what size it should open, that is decided by this 1615. Okay, set title. What title we need to, I'm giving here Canada tourist company. Okay, because whatever will happen, like here our title is Eclipse workshop workspace, so it is in the primary stage. So in this primary stage I have given the title Canada tourist company. Okay, after that I will set the scene and scene, and I'll just primary stage, I just want to show this. Clear, enter. And here what I need to include one main thing is that we know that whatever program it starts from main method. So in main method uh, it will launch our UI. Clear. So if I run enter, so this is our user interface build. Okay, now after that we what we will do, what we will be adding all the components that we have described. Clear. So let's go one by one. So first of all we'll create the heading. That heading was there. Create a heading. Yeah, label for heading, new label, like my feedback form. Clear. The we can set the font of this, style of the font of this label of this heading like this. Sorry, set font. This line, that line that we have given, that the font will be bold and size will be 26 and it will be of the class Arial. Clear. Now we just want to put the position. At what position should we include this heading? Heading will be included in the 0th row. And sorry, this is, here we have to understand one thing is that first one is given, it determines the column. Okay, and second one determines the row. Though we used to in another language we know that first one might be a row, another one column, but here first one is column, another is row. Clear. And after that I just want, because the size is very high, so I just want to row span, sorry, column span it like for 2 column, and row span only 1. I don't want more rows to be consumed. Clear. So it is added at what position? 0 0. Okay, so when I save these and I run, so this is the 0th position. Okay, 0 column 0 row. Here downside it is the 0 column first row. Here 0 column second row. So like this it will go on, and will whatever we will include according to this uh what is location. Clear. Now what we'll add, we'll add text fields, and sorry, text fields for, like, we'll add create user info. Okay, here we'll use the concept of VVox. What it is, I'll describe it. First, let me code this. VVox set padding. Name one. name, name field. Here, this is continued here. I just copy paste this. Clear? Now, after that, what I'll do is that it's box one command this, and just paste it here. Clear? And after that, for another one, I'll just name it as um, email. Okay, for email, and then email one here. Um, Here I made one mistake. Here it should be email field. Okay, sorry. Clear? Now after that, what we have here, user info. Okay, so copy this, paste, get children, add all, and comma en. Clear? Now we just want to show this at what position we need to show. So for that pen dot, like here we have at what position we have showed, like similarly we'll do this. And what we have here, user info, right? User info, and what we'll do at what position, 0 comma 1. 1 is another row. Clear? So when we run this, here we have. So let me explain the code what we have done here. Here we have used vertical box, okay, and here we have used horizontal box. For horizontal box, yeah, see here, name and name field. So name was there and input box was there, okay. So I have used, I want to that to be in a same, horizontal line. So I have used that. I could have used only the, you know position also, like 0 comma, sorry, 1 comma 0 or 1 comma 1, like that. But the problem is that if I have done that way, then it could have done little bit wrong. For example, this text box, it is visible here. If I have not approached that the way that I did in the coding, if I have done another way without using vbox and hbox, then it could have shifted this side, okay, little bit farther from this level. So in order to make that in a at the same place and with the proper spacing, I just use this. So this name and name field in a single row, this email and email field in a single row, and to make it to be vertically one after another, for that I have used this vbox. For that I have used user info object, and here we have used the spacing, okay. And with the help of this object, I have gathered all the things that we have two things here. These two thing is in n, and another this email and email field I have stored in em, and both the children I have gathered together, and that I have put the position here, okay, 0 comma 1, zeroth column, first row, okay. So now after this, what I'll be doing is that I'll be going with the input box, sorry, checkbox. Clear? So let's create that. I'll use here again VBox, emotions. What I'll do is that I'll just copy this. Label, new label, angry, right? Checkbox, angry, check box. This is just the label, and after that we were shown that checkbox. So for that, this code, this line I'm writing. Clear? Now it will be repeated for another label also, like we have total altogether 4, right? And here I just need to change this here, angry to, and here sad, sad, sad one, okay, and here happy. This is the label and checkbox. Label angry, checkbox, that is square box we have created. Label sad and checkbox, that is square box I have created. Okay. Now what I want is that angry and checkbox should be in a single horizontal line. At the downside, sad and checkbox in a single horizontal line. Again, at the downside, happy and checkbox in the same horizontal line, and so on. So for that, what I'll be using is that, because these all should be one after another, for that I have used here bbox, and now this angry and checkbox should be same line. For that I will be using horizontal box. um, I will give a name, angry box, new horizontal box, and here I'll give number, and here I'll write both the thing. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just repeat this for the rest of the thing. Angry, after angry I have sad, and here I have sad label, sad checkbox. Here I have happy, happy label, here I have ambivalent. Clear? So what this will do, this will just arrange it like this, and all the things will be in a vertical way. Clear? Now I just have to add this, I just have to collect this. Here what I have given vertical one is emotions, so emotions dot, I'll get all the children together. Okay, add all. Clear? And what I'll do here is that I'll add just level of this, right? Um, Yeah, here this will also be added. Angry box. Sorry, this. Clear? Now I'll put this at another location. We have 0 comma 2, right? Because at 0 comma 0 I have that name. Where is this? Yeah, this name I have at 0 comma 0, and after that 0 comma 1 I have that first name and email. After that 0 comma 2 I'll be having this. Okay, so when I run this, yeah, here it came. Clear? Now what I'll do is that um, at the right side we had combo box, sorry, radio box, right? So in that radio box, what we did is that we just asked the customer about its satisfaction level. Everything is similar here. How satisfied? Sorry. This pen we are making for radio buttons. Okay. So yeah, what I need to do is just copy this. Mhm. So here label I have made that very satisfied, and after that the radio button will be there. Okay, here the spelling mistake label, right? I'll just copy this and I'll make for another. I have four, three, two, three, four, right? Another one is only satisfied, satisfied. Okay, yeah, yes. Um, didn't didn't like satisfy, very satisfy, and here what I'm doing is that very satisfied. Sorry, yeah, now it's okay. And now what we can do is that very another one we can put didn't care label. Clear? Didn't care. Okay, clear? Another we can put is that um, dissatisfied. 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 DS. Here two times BS I have put, so it's showing error. DC I can put here, right? Now after that, let me put one more. One more. Very dissatisfied I can put. Very dissatisfied. Dissatisfied. Very dissatisfied. Right? One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, total five I have made here. Now what I will do, I'll just put like previously what I did is that I have put the angry and checkbox in a horizontal line and all those things. So here what I want, I want here also very satisfied and radio button at a single horizontal line. So for that what I'll do is that for very satisfied I'll use very satisfied box, new h box 5. What was this? Very satisfied label, right? Very satisfied label. And here we have VS. We'll put all both of the thing here and we'll repeat this for 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here I'll just name satisfy, didn't care, dissatisfy, very dissatisfy. Okay. Satisfied copy. Here I'll just paste this. I'll just write as didn't care copy. Just paste this. Here I'll write DC dissatisfied level copy. Paste here. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. Okay. Horizontally I have put. Now what I'll do is that this VV box according to vertical I'll just put all together. So further I'll copy its object, sorry, and copy its object, and with that I will get all the children together, all the children. And so what we have here is that uh, I want that upper heading should also be together. Okay, and here all these things. Run this. Now I will just put it to location. Okay, I'll copy this and just put it to location. Here I'll use this. Okay, now uh, at the what column were expanded here till second column. Okay, so now for this at the right side, to display it right side, I'll use third column. Okay, third column, and it will be similar at the same line as that name. Okay, so for name, which row it is used? For name, yeah, for name first row is used, so I'll use 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. Clear? So when I run this, yeah, it came right this side. Okay. So after that I will add that text area. create a text area. And write it further comments. This is the label, and now text area I'm making and giving it name comment area, new text area, right? Comment area. I'll write its uh, preference row count. Column count is 20. Now what happens here is that I need to put, like, the maximum height, of that. If I'll not put the maximum height, the limitation, then the row can span to many rows. Okay, for example, first let me write this, like, put 30, and let's put that label and comment area at a single horizontal. So for that, edge box will be used. Edge box sync 10, and what we have to think, let's t label and comment area. Right now, copy this, paste this. Okay, and put the spacing here, and add t at this is the third column, first row. Now I'll put this at third column, second row. Clear? Now here, let me comment this. If I'll not put this, then what will happen? Oh, here is error. So it's not displaying at all, right? What I'll do is that it's still not displaying, right? There. Here I made the error. Here I should have included only T on T. I have included only T level. Yeah, here it's coming. Right? Here I just wanted to make sure one thing is that here if I comment this, then what happens? See, it spans to unpredictable, like, so if I put the limit here, so it goes like this. Clear? Yeah. Now what I want after this is that drop down option. Drop down component, right? So I'll just use here well. Here for the drop down option we will be using array, okay, of the type string. And in drop down what I'll be using, the location visited, so I'll write some location like Toronto, Scarborough. Here in Scarborough I'm staying right now in Scarborough. It's too expensive to stay here, right? Scarborough. Life here in Canada is like, so much struggling. Right? We have to maintain everything by our own. And so now I'll be using combo box. Sorry. This is the syntax to for the combo box, okay? And I'll get the items. There. Here by default what will be written there, that I'm giving here, set value. Sorry, here I made mistake. Now to make pen for combo box. New. Use this. Now for this, here I have used third column second row, so here I'll use third column, down of that will be a row, so third row. Clear. Now if I run this, yeah, it's coming. Yeah, every option is coming here, right? Clear. Now what I want is that I want to add music in this. So for that I'll use the code for music, okay? So for that I have imported here media player. Media player, I'll use this. Adding music, media player np object np equals to new player, new media, and just give the link. Where's the link here? Link is like this. Yes. Scene for Canada dot ca. What is this? Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada dot mp3 player. Clear. Let me check. HTTPS. Yeah. For the play button, I'll use this symbol. Okay, and with that, bt play, I'll set it on action. That the symbol will be executed, I'll set it on action. What action? Sorry, here I made one mistake. What action, or should I make this? If that is executed, then if it is equals, if the executed one is equal to this, then mp should play. Okay, it should play. If this symbol will be executed, then it should play. Clear? Yes sir, clear. Now go to I'll make the button for button pause. So I'll just copy this and just paste here. Okay, here I'll write button pause, new button. Which button will pause? This will pause. Button pause, here button pause equals this, then it should pause. Clear? Now what I'll do is that I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Yeah, I will not close this. Okay, so now I will do, what I'll do is that uh, play button, I have made here. I just want in horizontal, so for that I'll just use this get children add all, and just do what, and just pt play, sorry, bt play and bt pause. Right, now what I'll do is that I'll just put it on our UI. At which location should I do is that I just want a little bit this side, right side, one column this side. So for command row, I just want down, so a little bit more down, then I should use 5. Yeah, let me play this. What happens? Here it was showing error because there was a space over here, right? There was a space over here, that's why it's showing error. If we exclude a space here, then it will be, it should play fine. Yeah, right now here it's coming. Okay, so now what I'll do is that I'll just add at downside there should be left side text area and right side there should be flag. Clear? So I'll do code for that. Code for area for displaying information. Display area, new area, right? I'll just copy, paste, dot preference row count, right? we are writing this set editable false because if we don't set editable false, then without entering any details in name, email, and all those things, we can easily type in the text area. In order to avoid that, we put that text area at the lower side to be non-editable, means editable is false. Okay, and after that I'll add flag. Clear? So for flag, I will use image class, new image, sorry. So here what I need to do is that I need to bring flag. What I'll do is that I'll just create a folder here. I'll write it image, yeah, and I'll just put one flag inside this. Clear? So here I've just pasted one flag. So I'll just specify its path. Image canada.pmp, right? Image view. What I'll do here, image view preserve ratio will be preserved here. I want both text area and image in a single horizontal line. So at bottom, right, bottom pane, new hatch box, right? Here display area width. I just want more display area and little bit image. So it's preference pref width and put 800. Okay, and image, here image view I'll put width as 300. Yeah. Now what I'll do is that bottom pane here as box is used, bottom pane, get children and add all. Here I made a mistake, add all, right? But we have display area and image view, right? Bottom pane here. So if I display this, I got error right here. What error I got here? I'll create and add or display button. So button, display button, new button, right? And we'll write new display and we'll add this, add display button at row, sorry, first column, sorry, second column, that is first, and the downside till where we were, This is for radio button this side. Here we have emotions 2, but I want a little bit more down, so I can put 5 here, right? No, where it is are coming like here Canada or the Canada. I think I missed here a spelling mistake. Let me check this. Yes, now it came. Okay, so what I was showing there was that I made this editable false, right? If I just comment this and if I just play here, I can type anything, right? So in order to avoid this, what I need to do is that, sorry, I'll just put not comment and I'll just run this. So now I'm not able to write this. So now our form is not completely made, like whatever form or like whatever value will enter here, clear, like it is not getting displayed. So now what we'll do is that we'll write code so that when I press this button, everything we enter will be displayed here, right? So now code for that what I need to do is that when I click that button, okay, this display button, so I'll write code for the display button. So code to set up display button action to show user inputs in text area, right? So this is our display button. I'll copy this and paste. I'll put it on action, right? And I'll call the event handler action event, right? Now what I need to do is that I need to code for everything. Event handler action event, yeah, everything is okay. Now whatever method will be there inside this event handler, I'll just override it, right? And I'll call this handle method action event, right? That we had first we need to input that name. So I'll write this string, what was that name field we had right here. Yeah, name field, get text. I'll get its text here. Okay, we had another email one also here, so I'll just copy and paste and write it email, clear. And what we had in email field, control A and control V, clear. Now let me check whether I have written this is correct or not to display, clear. So for that what I'll need to do is that um, I will just here, why error, think, let me fix this first. Now here what I want is that I want to first check whether this I have entered is correct or not, whether it's displaying in the display area or not. For that I will select this display area and I'll just call set text method and I just want to display this name value, name string. I also want to display email, but in another line. So here, am I making any mistake here? Okay, here for another line, here n should be there, right? So when I run this, yeah, hello, like, yeah, here only two is coming. It's running successfully, and the rest of the thing is not going because we have not attached this in under this button function. Okay, so now what we'll do is that we'll just attach the rest of the thing. So name and email I have attached. After that I will attach the checkbox. Check selected emotions. Clear. For this I'll use string builder emotion selected new string builder, right? So I'll write that if, yeah, here we have used string builder so that if the multiple string is used, is selected, so for that string builder is the best option to use here, right? So if which one is selected, first example, let's take here. Yeah, if this is selected, if angry bird is, sorry, angry, what I've selected, angry check. Oh, we have to select the value, sorry. Here label and this value is there. If angry checkbox is selected, if angry checkbox is selected, then um, in the emotion, right here we have, let add in this variable emotion selected, because this is the variable we need to use, right? Here we need to attach, what we need to attach is the value, like angry, right? So yeah, so similarly we need to do it for rest of thing. Set checkbox, set checkbox, set happy checkbox, happy checkbox, right? Yeah, here it's error is coming because I have not to close this bracket. Clear. And one more is there, ambivalent checkbox, ambivalent checkbox. Yeah, here I have to correct happy, right? And I need to print this. For example, emotion selected, clear, and I need to add this here, right? Okay, now after this we had we had combo box, right? Sorry, radio button. So we check selected satisfaction level. What the satisfaction level was there? For that, we again copy these, because here also we need to select, and we can just, like, for immerse, for the satisfaction we can change another variable here, and we can use same as this. Okay, now we need to get the value, suppose PS. Satisfied, right? So we need to change this variable as DC, DS, and BD. S, DC, D, and BD. Let me check once again. S, DC, D, S, DC, DS. Yes, very satisfied. Satisfied. Didn't care, right? Dissatisfied, and very dissatisfied, right? And we need to include this here. uh, satisfaction level, satisfaction selected, right? Now after this we had one comment area, right? So for comment area we use the method like further comment. Okay, so it is a string comment, sorry, it's comment area, comment area, and I'll get text of this, right? And add further comment. Why it's showing error here? Syntax for this. Yeah. Now I guess everything is okay. Oh yeah, one thing was there. Combo box, right? Oh sorry, drop down. We'll use a string, and what was here for this? Drop down. CBO was there. right? And we need to get only one value of that, get value from this. Copy location visited, right? Uh, com Okay, now this is our full program. Now let's run this. Okay, krishna krishna@gmail.com. Happy, very satisfied. No further comment, bro. uh, Scarborough. So here the satisfaction level and further. Okay, here I am getting mistake because I need to convert it into a string. So emotion selected dot to string. Okay, and for satisfaction level also I need to get a string. Okay, now after this I think it should run properly, right? It should run properly. So let's see. So this is the form that we have built. Now let's put the value and check whether it is built correctly or not. So first name is Krishna, email is krishna@gmail.com. Place angry, yeah, I'm very angry. So angry, satisfaction level, yeah, satisfied. Further comment, no further comment. Clear, select location, yeah, Scarborough, because I have not visited any of the place because I'm so poor right now. So when I play display, everything is coming, but with the exception of satisfaction level. So I can need to, here I have placed emotion selected in this coming in together. Again I need to go. I came to know where I made the mistake. I'm very much, not aware. Like here I just do this. I have not changed that earlier. Okay, now save. Oh, sorry, let me play again. So this is the form we have made. Now let's check whether it's running correctly or not. So name is Krishna, email is krishna@gmail.com. Emotion, I'm very angry, so angry. Satisfaction level, yeah, I'm satisfied. Further comments like I am eager to learn, right? Location visited is Scarborough, and with the exception of this I have not visited any of the location because I'm poor right now. So, and display, wow, perfect. Everything is running perfectly. So one thing I need to check here about the song, whether it's playing or not. So let's play. Yeah. Okay. So this is the form that I have built. So if you like the video, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe and like the video and share it among your friends. Till then, bye bye. See you next time. Bye.